Every day you waste hours on small tasks, writing, searching, planning, and repeating the same work again and again. But what if AI could do all of this for you in seconds? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can save you hours every single day in 2026. ChatGPT/AI Assistant. The first tool is an AI assistant that can think, write, and solve problems for you. You can use it for writing emails, summarizing long texts, generating ideas, even learning new skills. Instead of spending 1 hour writing something, you can do it in 5 minutes. This is not just a tool, it's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. The second category is AI writing tools. These tools help you create YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media content. If you are a content creator, this can literally double your productivity. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Tool number 3, AI design tools like Canva AI. The third tool is AI design. You don't need to be a designer anymore. You can create thumbnails, posters, social media graphics. Just type your idea and AI designs it for you in seconds. This is perfect for YouTubers like you. AI video tools. Now let's talk about video creation. AI tools can now generate videos, edit clips automatically, add captions and effects. This means you can create content faster than ever before. What used to take a full day can now be done in 1 hour. Tool number 5, AI productivity tools. Finally, productivity AI tools. These tools help you manage your time, organize tasks. Stay focused instead of feeling overwhelmed. You stay in control of your day. And this is where real success starts. Discipline and structure. So these were 5 AI tools that can completely change the way you work and live. But remember one thing, tools don't make you successful. Your consistency and discipline do. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Focus Forge, because here we don't just learn tools, we build better versions of ourselves.